Guys, today I will show you how to fix risk sound problem easy and quick. So you should just watch and follow this video till the end. Go directly guys and open your settings of your mobile phone. Click next on your apps option and search for risk and click. Here after that scroll down this list, click on storage and click clear cache. Back right now, click on force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update risk. Restart here now your device and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.